The tower fan is of decent quality. The motor is powerful enough and does throw air in full force, setting at level 2 is good enough. The swing feature is also an advantage, but it swings only by 90 degrees. The process of registering the product is a bit cumbersome. Upon contacting the number for registering the product, there is a delayed and improper response. They do not send any document or a formal confirmation of the registration. This might cause a problem while claiming the warranty in future. I have CT Windy model. Packing is very impressive. Excellent quality packing. Fan build quality is good. Air throw is excellent. Trick is you should keep the fan at least at 8 feet distance to get full benefit of it. Only drawback is swing angle is very small, it should be more. Noise is moderate, remember with large volume of air throw noise is pertinent. Will update about longevity and overall service after 3 months. Click link in description for more reviews.